I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux sauce. Roux is a fundamental thickening agent in cooking, created by combining fat and flour. This simple mixture forms the base for countless delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. Understanding the different stages of roux, from white to dark brown, is key to mastering its use in various culinary applications. To begin your roux, you will need just two main ingredients, fat and flour. Butter is a classic choice, but vegetable oil or even bacon drippings work wonderfully. For flour, all-purpose is typically best. Ensure you have a sturdy whisk and a heavy-bottomed pan to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. These simple items are all you need to start. Start by melting your chosen fat in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in the flour until a smooth paste or roux forms. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring constantly, for anywhere from 2 minutes for a white roux, up to 15 minutes or more for a dark brown roux, depending on your recipe. Once your roux reaches the desired color, it's ready to thicken your sauce. Remember to always add cold liquid to hot roux or hot liquid to cold roux, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. This versatile base is essential for dishes like creamy bechamel sauce, rich gravies, and hearty gumbos. For more cooking tips and other great deals, including that fantastic sock link, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.